This video shows the application of control codes in Access 2024. Some of these control codes are used instead of string numbers. For example, we will start by looking at .n, which creates a new string, preventing it from joining to the previous code of the same name. Once the control code has been used, it is automatically dropped from the next code. The next code we will utilize is .c, which is to start a curve. Ensure there is a space between your feature code and the control code. The purpose of the .c code is to smooth off the line. Once we hit a straight, we add .ce to tell the coding to end the curve at that point. Instead of utilizing .n for new string, you can add .e to end a string. When you move on to the next code of the same name, it will know not to join it to the previous point. The advantage of using feature code libraries and control codes is you can see everything being drawn live within the map screen. If you find an error has been made, select Ctrl R, select the point you want to amend, hit Edit, type in the correct coding, hit Enter, and accept. This will then update live on the map any changes that need to be made. We'll then look at creating a closed polygon. This will utilize the .p code. Take your points as required, and then on your final point, you will add a space after your control code and then .p to close polygon. After hitting enter, you'll see the dotted line indicating where it will join. Hit measure and the polygon is now closed. We will now look at drawing circles, which has a control code of .ci. Place your initial feature code, space .ci, and then space, and input the diameter of the circle in meters that you wish to draw. Take the point in the center of the circle, and it will draw your symbol to the size of the diameter. For a 2-point circle, select your feature code, space .ci, and take the point in the center of the circle. The second point will remove that control code and you will just be left with the feature code. Place the second point on the outer point of the circle. This will give the size of the circle you require. To draw a 2-point rectangle, your first point will be the feature code, space .r. Your second point will be the feature code, space, and the width of your rectangle in meters. It will then draw the rectangle to the right-hand side of the direction of travel. To draw a 3-point rectangle, add .r, take your first point, take your second point without a control code, which it will automatically drop, and again your third point, and it will automatically draw based on the information you've given a rectangle. We will show a gap point now. So for example, we've used verge, but this could be useful if you're drawing a fence and maybe there's a change in terrain underneath it. So this is a .g. What happens is it takes a point, but it doesn't join it to the line that you're currently drawing, as you can see. As we zoom in, you can see that that point is independent of the line that you were drawing for the verge. We will now show you how to join to an existing point. So we will start our line. We will use a fence as an example. Select the point you wish to join to. As you can see, this is point number 53. Unselect the point, do feature code space.j space 53, which is the point number you're going to join to. So hit measure and you will see it has joined up to an existing point, creating a neat intersection between two fences.